Hello and welcome. I'm your Geek Eric, and this is Game Dev News, a quick weekly show helping you stay up to date with all things indie game dev related. Let's get to it. First up, let's talk about some awesome Blender news. There's a new gold tier sponsor for Blender that gets us somewhere near half a developer. It's great seeing how much love the Blender project has gotten over the last few years. In that time, they've received sponsorships from Epic, AMD, Nvidia, and Ubisoft. I can't wait to see what they're able to accomplish with all the extra funding. On a more somber note, there's been a horrible email phishing scam going around the last few weeks, targeting freshly graduated students. They pretend to be the HR from a game company called Iphonic and will ask for Bitcoin. A student from the college that I previously attended received one of these emails, and the actual game company has made a post talking about it on their LinkedIn. Link in the description box down below. So be careful job hunting, kids. Back to some more upbeat news. Godot got 6 projects accepted into the Google Summer of Code. You can check out the full list of projects and people working on them, but they all look like great projects that the community will benefit from, including new improvements to visual scripting that will help new developers make their own games, to improvements to the performance monitor and more international support, and a really cool first-party version control plugin. I can't wait to see these projects make it into future releases of Godot. Next, let's talk about a game jam starting this Friday or Saturday, depending on where you live. This will be the 161st weekly game jam, and if I don't have a different project to be working on next week, I'll be participating as well. One of the things that I really like about game jams, especially right now, is it gives devs something to do in the safety of our homes while having fun and learning new things. Currently, I'm in the Brackeys game jam, and even though I am jamming solo, I have 2 friends that are also jamming solo, and we are having daily meetups on Discord to talk about progress and to bounce ideas off of each other. And it definitely makes this quarantine go easier. Now, for the tutorial of the week. This time going to Vilmlark. And it was this video about making pixel art characters and animating them. It was all around a nice, short, and easy to follow tutorial where instead of just him giving us a step-by-step checklist, he talked about his design process, decision making, which I found very helpful in my current game jam. If this sounds like something you are interested in, I'll have it linked in the description box down below. This week, I'm adding a new category for channels and projects that have inspired me to keep working on my own projects. So this week, I would like to thank Kindred Games. I have been following the develop of swords and magic and stuff since Michael brought his devlogs to YouTube. It has been exciting to watch their team grow over the last year with a new programmer, an artist, and a community manager. And I think, correct me if I'm wrong, I think they also got a new sound designer as well. And to see a few months ago, their Kickstarter exceeded its funding goal was super awesome. So 2 weeks ago, a team and I participated in the Kindred Community Game Jam. And even though we didn't finish, we learned some valuable lessons. And I had a good time. I made a video about this project, and a member of their team commented on it and left some really encouraging words for me and wished me luck on my next game jam. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. And if you have any ideas of new categories or topics, please drop them in the comments section down below. And while you're down there, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for new videos every week. See you next time.